As a production manager, it's your job to make sure products are coded accurately. Mistakes are costly and time-consuming, causing unnecessary disruption to production schedules. Keeping coding errors to a minimum can be hard when your factory looks something like this. Operators entering data into each printer individually, over and over again. Duplication and manual intervention means there is a high risk of mistakes. Different message templates sitting locally on individual coding machines makes them difficult to update. With this lack of connectivity between printers and other business systems, it's impossible to streamline operations fully. Introducing Think Integration with Domino QuickDesign Datalink. Datalink removes the headache of operator error. With product codes and label information taken directly from central databases, there is significantly less need for data entry or line-side message design. Datalink involves a simple hardware setup. Simply connect the coders via a network to your production server and master database of product tables, ingredients lists, and production orders. Office computers and factory touchscreens are also connected onto the same network, meaning they can all communicate. The software setup is just as easy, enabling the different parts of the system to communicate. First, we install QuickDesign Datalink onto your production server. This central point controls all coder activities for the site. It's where all label templates are stored, along with printer configurations and the link to the master database. By referencing data held in the master database, any changes, such as additional products, ingredients, or new production jobs, are automatically available to the coding and marking system, making data distribution quicker and easier to administer. Domino's label editor is installed onto your office computers. This allows messages and label templates to be created within the office but stored centrally on the server. The Domino label editor is a standard label editor for all printer technologies. Domino's Operator Pro software is installed onto the factory touchscreens. Operator Pro is an operator-friendly application which can be configured to select jobs, pick from lists of products, or integrate with barcode scanners to streamline production changeovers. Now operators can retrieve products or jobs from the master database and send them to the entire production line at the click of a button. The result is a scalable system which is integrated to a single source of data, providing improved accuracy and control in production. Here's how Think Integration can work for you. Operators use the touchscreen terminal to pick from a list of products or jobs with the relevant source data intact. The connection to the master database ensures all data is up to date. The operator checks the labels for accuracy and hits confirm. Once confirmed, the server sends the data to each printer on the production line. When updates to the master database are made, these changes are immediately available on the production floor. Adding and removing products, as well as changes to ingredients, are quickly and easily rolled out into production. If you want to minimize errors, improve production changeovers, and maximize operation efficiency, think integration, think QuickDesign, think Domino.